Hi there, it's Gareth, and we are on the Carnival Firenze, and we are up on deck 10 at the Movies by the Sea, and we're going to do a tour of 10 through 15, the upper decks of the Carnival Firenze. If you want to see the lower decks, that's a different video, lower decks. So we're going to start by going here to Java Blue Cafe, and you should know right off that it rained, and so it's going to be slippery. You might get to see me go down. And this is where you can buy specialty coffee. And there are stairs going up all over the place. Of course, the stairs and the elevators are through that. Lots of places to sit here. Pool, 4'9", 6'1". That's what this ship doesn't have, is a lot of pools. This is, of course, Guy's Burger Joint, a staple of Carnival ships. At least most Carnival ships. And here's one of the areas where you can get coffee, tea, juice. We're entering the Lido Marketplace, the ship's buffet. It's disembarkation day, so it's busy. Swirl's Ice Cream. There's at least 2 of them, and I think there's 2 more back here in the very back of the ship, which is where we're headed. And of course, that's the food. The buffet is long, but narrow, but it's on each side. You see, this is all the wider it gets. Well, I mean, it gets wider to some points, but and there's these on this side. I'm going to walk around the back, head forward again. So here's another place to get food and another place to get drinks. And the Versilia Sunshine Deck. Line starts here. So this is the Chicken Shack, it's the Breakfast Shack, it changes names over the course of a day. But that food is complimentary, included. Another ice cream machine. This is the very back of the ship. We are coming into Long Beach, California. And here's another pool. And I guess it's 4'9" overall. Because there's no, well, this is like I should really show you. And a couple of hot tubs. And remember, the deck is all wet. This is Pizzeria del Capitano, but in the morning, it's bagels. It's the bagel place. Bagels and spreads. Now we've gone over to the port side, and we're going back forward. And you might have to do that. Sometimes they open just because, and sometimes you have to wave your hand. So coffee, tea, juice, serve yourself, ice, Asian breakfast on this side. Let's give you a little taste. See, just like every other cruise ship, you can get your own beer, but you know, it costs by the ounce. I think it's $1 an ounce or something, but don't quote me. Pretend I didn't say the price. The prices always change, and people watch these videos and say, but you said it was, and that was 5 years ago, right? Remember when the steakhouse was $25? Remember, we're on the port side. going back near where we began. Tomodoro. And in the mornings, it's breakfast burritos, no drink station, toppings bar, and huevos rancheros. In the afternoons, it's, you know, burritos and tacos, and it's good. Take it from me. We started right there, Seaside Theater, and Rocco's Bar. I'm gonna go back this way to the stairs and elevators so you can see them, and then we'll go up to deck 11. So we're going to go up these stairs to deck 11. You have to go left or right. There is no center aisle. And so these are cabins. And we're going to go down this hallway, or up this hallway. We get to this door and step up a couple steps. And we're up above the pool in the area down there. Go on this side, lots of seating, lots of alcoves, very nice. Oh, Il Mercado, meatballs, hot dogs, sandwiches. And they have sandwiches and they're very good. Of course, they don't open till 11 or 12 either. Now, you can walk out this door. Remember, we're on deck 11. And you can walk around, not forward though. We're going to take the inside route though. Another drink station. So, pergola bar. This is a pergola, right? Or pergola. Again, you can go outside. That colorful wall on each side is the kids' play area. And I'm not going to go back here, but, well, yeah, I will. We've got some shelves here with some games and books. And at the beginning of the cruise, there were a couple hundred books. Now there's 20 or 30. Ping pong table, foosball table. We went around there, the books were over there. Il Mercado's over there. Of course, you can see the water slides. This is the midship stairs and elevators. And Camp Ocean is there. That's for the little kids. The other kids are all on deck 3, 14 to 17. So we're going to go up these stairs, and this is the arcade. And I don't know if they ever shut this off. Every time I've come up here, it's been like this. Anyway. So that brings us out to the miniature golf and the ropes course. And of course the ship's staff. And so we're on deck 12 now. This is the jogging track. doesn't blow off. Pretty much the back of the ship. You notice you can't go any higher. Oh. So that's mini golf. That's the arcade. I'm going to go up to deck 14. There is no deck 13 on Carnival Cruises. And it's more the mini golf. And it's also the entrance to the ropes course. Ropes course, 48 inches. I think the water slides, it's 42. At least one of them is. Maybe the others are more. Deck 10 down below, that's where we started, right there. Deck 11, deck 12. We went up to deck 14 right back there. We're going to do it again. Now, deck 12, deck 14, are cabins forward. There is this water play area. I didn't ride them. I never saw them open actually. But you have to do something else. I'm getting wet. Today it would be very cold on there. And I think they're going to be closed today. So if you go in that way, it's the forward stairs and elevators. Came inside on deck 12 so you could see Carnival Waterworks from below, and also so you could see the spa. And through the spa, these are the elevators on deck 12. The forward elevators were right there. The Cloud9 Spa and the fitness center. But I guess neither one of them are open today because the doors are closed. But that's where they are, deck 12 forward. Let's continue on. So officially this is deck 14. Like I said, there's cabins in there. That's kind of like the door we came out of. Stairways, lounge chairs, lots of lounge chairs. Look at that. Different colors too. Anyway, we're going to go up to deck 15. And this is the sign I saw. It said 42 inches. Tall enough. This is Serenity, adults only retreat. And you'd think it would be quiet in here, but adults can be very loud. But it does have these swings. Hey. And couches, and these are lounge chairs. They lift up, of course. There's all these semi-covered spots. That's the elevators and stairs. Hot tub on each side. If you're lucky enough, if you don't want sun, you lay your stuff out here. There's 2 clamshells out here. We were fortunate enough to get one day. Because they're gone by 7 a.m. maybe earlier. Oh, somebody left their chapstick there. Anyway, flags flapping. Of course, we're at the front of the ship. They have umbrellas even up here. Oh, see, somebody's already there. What do you know about that? This is the Serenity Spritz Bar. Fresh Creations Salad Bar. And it's only open a couple hours on sea days. So, but it's a good salad. So we circled around the front of the ship. You can check out towels here, or there's towels in your stateroom. More swings. Reserving sun lounges. So you see, I can't see the height on those because they're always locked. Unless they're open, and I didn't go up there when they were open. And that's the upper decks of the Carnival Firenze. F-I-R-E-N-Z, Firenze. And it's a nice ship. It's got lots of places to sit. I mean, it may not be the place you want, but it's got lots of places to sit. Let me get out of the wind here. Oh yeah, Daniel bought me this shirt. So from the Carnival Firenze, I'm Garrett, and I'll see you in the next port. If you want to see the decks 3 through 5, the lower decks, watch that video. Bye.